You guys ready to see our most popular Phoenix 30BH triple slide mid-bunk floor plan? Stay tuned. We're going to go through it right now. Hey everybody, Tony. You're obviously shopping for an RV. If you have any questions or need advice, personally call or text me at the number below. I'd love to be part of your journey regardless of where you're shopping. Let's get back at it. Hello everybody, Tony with Referral Auto Group. I'm going to take you through a Shasta Phoenix 30BH right now. It's a mid-bunk floor plan, rear entertainment triple slide. By far our most popular bunkhouse on the lot. I'm going to cover specs and features right now, but come on out and check this out. It is here. This is the 2025 model, and it's definitely a sight to see. The specs, we're 37 foot in overall length, weigh approximately 9,700 pounds, unloaded with a GVW of 11,500 pounds. We haul 40 gallons of fresh water, 33 gallons of gray, 33 gallons in our galley, and 33 gallons in our black. We have comfortable sleeping for up to 6 people before you get creative, and we have a tankless water heater. Now let's cover some of the features. We have power jacks all the way around, heated enclosed underbelly, front molded fiberglass cap with LED light strips on each side. As we come around the corner, we've got a full pass-through storage with our water selection switches inside all of your hookups right here on the side. You select city water, tank fill, or running off your water pump. Battery disconnect switch right there inside as well. 1-inch thick storage compartment doors with slam latches. Outdoor shower, again, heated and closed underbelly, 50 amp service going up to the roof to service our 2 factory installed central inducted air conditioning units. We have our road Armor suspension system with heavy-duty shackle straps, Zerk fittings, and brass bushings. Radial tires and aluminum wheels. Again, Asdel construction through the whole thing. We have a solar panel up on the roof coming down to a 30-amp charge controller, keeping that battery charged when you guys are out dry camping. We are prepped for the observation camera system. That's anytime you have your marker lights, you get a view of your bikes falling off or whatever you want to see. There's a ladder going up on your fully walkable roof. Again, 2 AC units up there and a nice large solar panel. We have our 2-inch receiver here on the back for any bike racks. Come around here, we have a slide out on our main door side, which really opens up the living room. We have opposing slides, Peninsula kitchen. There's our power awning with an LED light strip up against the side of the coach, so you don't have to have that awning out to fully utilize that light. In inclement weather, that awning could be completely rolled up, and you get plenty of light about 30 feet out from the unit. Here is our storage compartment. You see all your aluminum construction and no sewer drops passing down through your storage to try and dodge with all of your luggage and your stuff. A lot of times you'll see the 1.5 inch or the 3-inch line coming right down through the middle. Not the case. 2 7-gallon, 30-pound LP tanks, and here is your side observation camera prep. Again, power awning, JBL exterior speakers. And we have our solid steps going up into the unit with that big 13-inch top step. There's your Asdel construction sticker. We got the Lion's Head guarantee on all the wheels and tires. If you don't know what that is, definitely check it out. As we go inside, we have residential style linoleum. We walk right into our mid bunk. Okay, with the door, the solid door, their bedtime does not become your bedtime. Nice large double bunk system in here with a dresser and a place for a TV. As we turn into the kitchen, we have our one-piece thermofoil countertops with a Peninsula kitchen, tons of cabinets, and I'll go around the back side of that island so you can see. 12-volt, 10.2 cubic foot refrigerator, nice large stainless steel oven with 3-burner stove, and your stainless steel microwave. Here on the back side of the island, different colored cabinets, which really kind of sets it off. There's your freestanding dinette and legless table. No table legs to bang your knees on. There's your sleeper sofa, which is a trifold sofa, nice large flat screen TV, sound bar down below, and your fireplace, which is a great heater. I don't have the heat on right now, just a little ambiance. And you have your theater seating. Roller shades on every window, no pleated shades on strings to silhouette you at night and to not completely black it out. These are completely blackout shades and work really well. We have our 2-zone Furrion thermostat here to control our 2 factory installed air conditioners and our furnace. As we walk here, we're going to go up 2 steps. We're going to see our panel here. We have heated tanks for very cold weather. This is definitely prepped for any cold weather you want to go into. and all of our control center here. Looking into the bathroom, it's a Jack and Jill system, so you can come in from the bedroom or the hallway. Porcelain bathroom sink, nice large rounded shower, and porcelain toilet. Again, you can come in and out of the bedroom, which increases room to get ready. Here's our full walk around 60 by 80 queen bed, a wardrobe that slides out and cabinets all the way up and over. We have 110 plugs at each side of the bed with USBs on the one side, windows across from each other, and there's your second air conditioner. Again, tons of room to walk around in here. All right, let's turn back around, walk down the hallway, pass by our bunkhouse again, and back into our living space. All right, let's go outside and recap what we just saw. Going down my 13-inch top step, so I'm going to get a running start. Pretty convenient if you have a couple cocktails when you're camping. That'll definitely not get you running out of your trailer. All right, we're 37 feet in overall length. We're weigh approximately 9,700 pounds unloaded with a GVW of 11,500 pounds. I'm doing this all by memory. There is no notes in my hand. I'm holding the camera with the other hand. So we're 40 gallons of fresh water, 33 gallons of gray, 33 gallons in our galley, and 33 gallons in our black. We have a tankless water heater and comfortable sleeping for up to 6 people until you get creative. We have the 2 AC units up on the roof, our high-definition off-air antenna, which you saw providing that picture on the TV inside. That's free TV. We get about 60 channels here. We got our exterior JBL speakers, Asdell construction in this unit, heated and enclosed underbelly. Road Armor suspension system, solar up on the roof, you name it, it's got it. Come check it out, 209-404-2200. Check us out on the web at www.referralautogroup.com. As always, we're not strong-arm salespeople. We're not going to hustle and hassle you till you buy. We're going to educate you and leave that buying decision completely up to you. If you find that hard to believe coming out, let me know if you feel anything different. My name's Tony. I'm the owner. If you've been out, then you know that's true. All right. We are the home of the lifetime warranty. It's a nationwide lifetime warranty of 0 deductible on covered components and eligible trailers. This trailer is eligible and will come with it free of charge. We also have an on-site service center for all of our warranty, repair, and upgrade needs. We also outfit the tow vehicle to tow any of these safely down the road. We have on-site financing, parts, and supplies. So come check us out, 209-404-2200. Check us out on the web again at referralautogroup.com. As always, thanks for watching. We truly appreciate it. We look forward to meeting you. Take care.